Construct and interpret confidence intervals about the population mean difference of matched pairs data. By Ruth Camejo. Let's be. Here's the problem. Professor Brown saw her students playing the card game Spoons and decided to randomly select 12 of them and measure the time it takes for them to grab a spoon with their dominant hand versus their non-dominant hand. She wants to see if the students' reaction times for their dominant hand is less than the reaction time for their non-dominant hand. We will be using an alpha equals 0.05 level of significance. Remember, the null hypothesis is the mean difference is equal to 0, and the alternative hypothesis is the mean difference is less than 0. Your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to construct a 95% confidence estimate of the mean difference. Here is the data that Professor Brown collected. Let's make the dominant hand be X and the non-dominant be Y. First, find the difference between the dominant hand's reaction time and the non-dominant hand's reaction time. In our calculator, we can click Stat, then Edit, and type X data in L1 and Y data in L2. Then, in L3, type L1 minus L2 and then enter. This is the data we get. After that, we can click Stat, scroll over to Test, down to 8T interval, and select. Make sure you have data selected because we have raw data, which is located in L3, so that's our list. Frequency is always 1, and our confidence interval, or our confidence level, is 1 minus alpha, which equals 95. And these are the results. So, we're 95% confident the mean difference between the dominant hand's reaction time and the non-dominant hand reaction time is between negative 0.0236 and negative 0.0027. This means that the dominant hand has a mean reaction time that is somewhere between 0.0027 and 0.0236 faster than the non-dominant hand. In conclusion, since the confidence interval does not contain 0, we reject the null. And that's it. Bye bye guys. I hope you all do amazing on your final exams.
Created using Powtoon.